Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use this 3-tiered luxury heart box. Products used in this video can be found at craftykcakeshop.com. To start off with, we're going to make some chocolate covered strawberries. Here I grabbed a microwave safe cup and I'm going to add some coating wafers. Today I'm using Stover's Sweet Shop Ultra White coating wafers. Let's put this in the microwave at 30-second intervals. Here's what it looks like after microwaving it for only 30 seconds. So now if you look closely, it looks like it didn't do anything. You're still going to want to mix it. The reason why is because there's hot spots in your chocolate. As you can see, some of it is melted, so we have to make sure that we're going to completely stir it, starting from the bottom and working your way up. Let's go put this back in the microwave for another 30 seconds. Alright, I went ahead and pulled it out of the microwave and we're going to stir it one more time. I usually like to microwave it twice at 30-second intervals, and depending on whether or not I need more time, I'm going to go ahead and apply another 15 seconds. So this is what it looks like after I microwaved it for another 15 seconds. Now keep in mind every microwave works differently. If you find that you still have some chunks in there, go ahead and put it in the microwave for another 15 seconds. I'm actually going to stop microwaving it here. There are some pieces in there, but with the warmth of the chocolate, it is going to melt them down for me. We're just going to continue stirring it until it's completely melted. Now I'm going to go wash my strawberries. Alright, so I washed my strawberries and I pat them dry completely. You're going to want to make sure to use room temperature strawberries and not cold strawberries. The reason being is that if you use cold strawberries, it may crack your chocolate, and we don't want that. Now we're dipping our strawberries. I like to shake the excess chocolate off so we don't have any feet on the bottom of our strawberries when it dries up. Here's another helpful tool. This is called a cookie scribe. I'm going to use this to have a better grip of my strawberry. So if your strawberries are really large and you're trying to dip it by the leaf, there is a chance of the strawberry breaking off from the leaf. So this will give you a better grip on your strawberry. Another helpful tip would be to use toothpicks. And now we're going to color our white chocolate for our drizzle. Here I'm using Color Mill in the color red. It is an oil-based food coloring, so keep that in mind when you're working with colors and chocolate. Always use oil-based. If you end up using water-based food coloring, it will seize up your chocolate. I'm going to add more color just to achieve a darker red. Now using a tipless piping bag, I'm going to add some of my red chocolate inside. Another helpful tip would be to grab a cup, place your piping bag inside, and then fill up your piping bag this way. Now it's time to add our drizzle. I like to do this directly over our cup to eliminate any mess. We finished drizzling our strawberries, and now I'm going to place them in a mini cupcake liner. Now let's go ahead and grab our box. I'm going to open it and I'm going to put the strawberries on the very bottom tier. First, I'm going to put some scrunchy paper down on the very bottom, and then I'm going to add my strawberries in. Now off to the second tier, we're going to go ahead and put some more scrunchy paper and place our Ferrero Rochers down. Now on to the last tier, we're going to go ahead and add some more scrunchy paper down. Now we're going to add these elegant foam flowers. I actually found these up on Amazon. I'll go ahead and leave the link to these in the description box below. Also, all the products used in this video is available at craftycakeshop.com. I'm going to go ahead and leave those links in the description box as well. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate you all. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and if you guys are on Instagram or Facebook, you can follow us at Crafty Cake Shop.